The residents of Polo Club Boca Raton chose to make their Good Deeds Day extra sweet at the Weisman Center. They treated seniors to an incredible performance by the Polo Club's very own Barry Roberts, featuring classics from Neil Diamond to Frank Sinatra. After all the singing and dancing, everyone enjoyed delicious ice cream sundaes, homemade by the Polo Club. A huge thank you to the Polo Club volunteers for this joyous day. If you too would like to make a difference and give back to your community, call Rales JFS today. Every small act of kindness can create a ripple of joy.
You know your part now. Sweet Caroline.